What do you do when it's freezing rain outside? You do Model Mania, especially when you're in a hotel room. So let's take a look at Model Mania 2004. Can you believe this is the 5th Model Mania that we've done so far? We've got quite a ways to go, but we want to be as prepared as we can be when it comes time for SOLIDWORKS World 2017 Model Mania. So looking at this drawing, it screams surfaces. If I was to do this with solid features, I don't know exactly how I would do it. We've got 20 minutes on the clock. Let's start it. And from the top, we're going to create a plane 120 millimeters. So let's switch that there, millimeters, and create a sketch here. So we're going to actually do just a quarter of this. That comes out here. That'll come down there and end that off. We've got a profile. This is going to be 125 divided by 2. We have a radius of 75. Eek. And there's some sort of angle there. So actually I think I can do something like that. Nope, where'd it go? Pick there, pick that line, and that is 15. It's a new feature. I think it's 2016, 2015. What else am I missing? This line here is 100. So that gives us a fully defined sketch. We're going to do offset entities of 25 of that and that, not chain, reverse, that's going in. Trim that top portion there. So that kind of gives me those two cuts, okay? Let's exit the sketch there. Let's go to what, maybe the right plane? Front plane? Let's go to the front plane. Let's do two circles there. Outside one is 170. Oops, 160 times 2, 170 times 2. So we're going to trim some of these out. So with that though, can I do surface? We're going to do a revolve surface of that. Axis of rotation is there. Contour selection is, no, axis of rotation is that. Selected contours is just, oh come on. I mean, that kind of gets me what I want. That's not what I want. Let's jump back here. That and that are construction. Revolve surface. That gives me both of those, but we just want to go 90. Reverse direction. And we're going to trim surface. Trim surface, standard trim tool is, oh, is that going to help? Ah, okay, so we want to keep selections, we want to keep that, and we want to keep that one, right? If we go to the right plane, oh goodness, goes there. You know, that comes down. Where how far down does that come down to? I don't know. At least it goes to that plane. We know that's going to come down to that plane as well. We'll have a line that connects those. Because yeah, we're really just building this up piece by piece. And I can take that edge, convert entities. That gives me my profile. So we'll do a surface, planar surface, right there. Let's do one on this sketch as well. Actually, we have. Where did my sketch go? It's that one. That profile is on the bottom, so I can actually take that, do a planar surface, sketch entities. Is that, can I do? No. So let's on that. Let's create a new sketch. We're going to take. Grab it. Convert entities, but I don't want that one or that one. Surface, planar surface. And on the front, I feel like I'm really taking the long way here. Now we got that to that, there to there, and I can grab this, this, and this, convert entities, surface, planar surface. What am I missing? Oh, I'm missing the bottom one. Convert. There we go. Surface, planar surface. Now, how do I want to match those up? Because I think, you know, this is looking pretty good, but can we do a lofted surface? Just take a profile of selection manager and choose that, and go to that, and oops, delete selection manager. Come on, that one, okay. And do another one, lofted surface, selection manager, that and that goes to selection manager of that and that. Okay, so I can take all these surface bodies, we'll knit them together. Oh, there's some nice little gaps there. Not sure where they're coming from. And so we have one surface body. Can I, oh, actually edit that, create solid. Yeah, so now we have a solid body. How much time are we at? Oh, halfway there. So we kind of have initial idea. We're not ready to mirror yet. Let's add some draft. Remember, draft got us last time, but here we're using some of the standard features. So our direction of pull is there. We want parting line. I think on some of these our draft is 15 degrees. 15 parting line of that and that. Other way. Yeah. And draft. Parting line, pull direction is that, reverse, parting line of here and here. Yeah, this is looking good. Do we want to show it yet? No, let's mirror it. Face is that one, bodies to mirror is that. Yeah, so we end up with that, but well, I think we're okay. Shell? No. Fillets. So we want to do the 6 first. Let's turn off tangent propagation. Oh, we want to do the big ones first. Of 10. And then fillet of 6. And shell. What was it? Shell of 4, and we're opening up that face and that face. Okay, so phase 1 complete, I believe. So let's take a quick peek at the drawing. We have 10 minutes, so 9 minutes left. Let's switch over to phase 2, and here's where we say, yikes. So let's kind of roll back before those fillets. We can maybe do a replace face with just that angled face in the back. So we'll just kind of go back into surfacing and replace face. What is the dimension there? So we just have this surface of 20. I wonder... Everything else seems to be the same. So we still have this 25, 25, 25. That's fine. Got this 20 coming from the back, so 15 degrees draft still going on. That goes on the inside. So we kind of come back to here. Do I actually want to go all the way back, or do I want to replace face at this point? Man, that's a tricky one. I want to do some surfacing to do that. Nope. Okay, we're close. We're close. Let's spend a little bit more time extra, see if what we can do here. We created that. See, and here's where I feel like I should be able to do this. Replace face. Might just have my feature selection wrong. Shoot. I did. I had my face selection wrong. I choked. I hide that body. Ah. Yep. That was it. I just had my face selection wrong. It is. That is the easy tool I tried to use earlier. Replace face. Just wasn't doing it. Okay. Draft. That's fine. Oh, we need our other draft, don't we? "15 degrees, direction of pull, reverse direction, parting line is that, and that. Mirror. Doesn't know what to do with it. Face is that one. Body's that one. Reference bodies of the mirror. Clear selection. That one. Okay. We have those fillets. That fillet is failing. So let's look at the drawing. We'll have that. That goes all the way around. That looks good. We have that. 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 This is going to be interesting. Will it figure it out? Okay, well, let's apply some of these that we know. We know that one works. That one almost works. we right click, we can go to recent commands, drag, oops, no, we want fillet. That doesn't do it. Fillet. Can I do that edge? And that edge? Nope, so let's just try some of these fillet methods out here. This one's pretty tricky on the fillets. Ooh, this is not going to do what I want, I don't think. No. Is that right? We don't need that fillet anymore. That looks close. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. And then finally the shell. Yeah, looking at the drawing, I think that's it. So we went a little over there. Again, some tricky compound fillets there to worry about. I was on the right track with replace face. Just had the wrong selection order in there. Just got caught up in the moment. Got to maintain that composure. And again, that's why we're practicing, so that, like I've done before in previous Model Mania challenges, is thought I was going one way and just get hung up on one item and trying to hammer it through, just to realize I'm making a stupid mistake. So this practice is to help us improve our composure as we have some of these unexpected challenges, to evaluate some of these different options. So hopefully you learned some lessons with me today with Model Mania 2004, and hopefully we'll see you up on stage at SOLIDWORKS World 2017 and the Model Mania Challenge.